up, got down, now I'm feeling like death. I can't listen to a word you just said. Broken hearts all on me, they're stuck in my chest.
Here we are, small town Georgia. We're in Liberty, Liberty, Georgia. It is 11:28 at night. Still got another 66 miles to go. Got another 66 miles to go. Gonna probably make camp at 2 a.m., but that's okay. It's life. It's experiences. It's experiences, I tell you. Exactly. Howdy, folks. We're coming to you live again. We barely made it out of that small town before we found a train. So I'd also like you to please meet Antoine properly.
What's up?
We're on our way. We're gonna do a 30-mile trek, and it's gonna be really fun. This is also Antoine's first time camping. So, yeah.
Alright, we're about to reach our destination in about 0.5 miles. We hit a fucking bobcat. Not sure if we addressed that to the camera or the audience.
No, we did not.
How do you feel about it?
I feel terrible. Literally, it was one of those moments where he came out of the corner of the darkness, like 5 feet from where I was, and doing 40 miles an hour, and decided that he wanted to take a headfirst dive at my tire. Unlike Michael Phelps, he did not set any records other than the fastest time to get his head knocked in. But I feel really, you know what? He did it, and I hope he learned his lesson, if he's alive. Then we met two like super cool sheriffs. Because we went about 3 miles down the road and there was a small town pulled over. There was a sheriff's car, it was empty, and then miraculously 5 seconds later 2 sheriffs pulled up and we were like, oh hey, over here guys. And yeah.
And now
we actually made it here. So
we have reached our destination.
okay, so this is the part where the sawmill starts acting up and the guy with the banshee saw comes over. Pine Mountain Trail. It's 1 a.m. Finally made it out here. Mile 23 collection box. What's up, everybody? We got Antoine and I all ready to go. It's like 2 a.m. We got 2.5 miles to our campsite tonight, and then we're going. Oh, and we also got some thunderclouds and rainstorm.
2 a.m.
Yeah, told you.
Damn.
And we got some thunderclouds and rainstorm heading in, so we got to move fast. Show them your pack real quick, though. Yeah. Oh, look at that setup. Oh, look at that. Here, you want to show them mine real quick?
Yep. Here we got Tanner Bops over here. Oh, nice. Okay.
Is your bubba pose for you?
You know, here we go. We're about to make things happen.
Yeah. All right. So we'll see you guys out on the trail. We're gonna head to Sawmill campsite.
Ooh, it's definitely
And we got
rain. Yeah.
Hey everybody, we're back. We're mile and 0.78 in. About what, 3 a.m?
Yeah.
Here are the very scenic falls. Actually, I'm pretty jealous because I wish that it was daytime so we could go for a swim. It looks very enjoyable. It really does.
How you feeling? Yeah. Thirsty?
Not so bad. But yeah, so we'll let you know when we get to the campsite. So we didn't get very far before we found the, what is it, wolf?
Yeah, Wolfden Den.
Wolfenden?
Yeah.
Yeah, this is actually really cool. Definitely different.
Oh, rock climbing.
Yeah, you wanna give it a go?
No.
What do you got to lose? Like your life,
Yeah,
but you know.
Just my life. My career.
That's really cool. Yeah. Okay. So you ready?
Yeah.
Where we go.
Let's go.
So, mid-base camp.
And then
Got fire stirred. Tent set up over there. And it's only Hey, look, it's an armadillo. Right there.
Oh, it's an armadillo.
That's what we've been hearing the last hour. Armadillo. He's armachillo. So, anyway, how you feel? First fire ever.
Good. How do you think I did?
I would say you did a solid 9.
Oh, I just fucking lifted my mouth and it was like that. Spray. Disgusting.
Yeah, did a really good job on fuel retrieval.
Thanks, man. You want a possum for dinner?
Armadillo's just not my. Howdy to everyone. It is now 6 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, pretty much. Well, 7 to 6. Antoine is working on his firecraft. It's been going pretty well. He's been doing a really good job of keeping the fire maintained. Doing great, man.
Thanks, buddy.
Excellent. So, yeah, just need to get a little more direct fuel and be doing good. Stuff's really wet in Georgia. I mean, it's super wet, but honestly, I feel good. We haven't even gone to bed, and feeling like a rock star. At least I am. How about you?
I feel good.
Yeah.
Honestly.
Daybreak's starting. The birds are starting to chirp. If you're quiet, you can hear them. Probably not over the crickets yet, but we'll let you know when it gets a little bit brighter out. Good morning, everybody. It's 9:37 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. We just both woke up from a delightful little nap.
Just a little nap. Just a
little nap.
Just a little 3-hour nap.
Yeah, it's a little 3-hour nap. Fire's dead. That's good. I'm gonna make us some breakfast. And I'm gonna pack up tent. Do another 27 miles. 25, something like that. You know, outrageous number, you know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? Yeah, you know what I'm saying.
No, you don't. Something priority.
Hello, everyone. We're done. Campsite's nice and cleaned up. We cleaned the countertops. Made sure and swept the room. Vacuumed out the place. We turned the stove off, so that's good. So, okay, we're gonna go hike really far now. So, here we are, mile 16. We are, what, 5 miles in today?
Yeah.
In the past 2 hours. It's a little slower, but not too bad. Bath time. Should get to be bigger up there.
Huh?
Should get to be bigger water source up there.
So good.
Welcome to Survival TV with Antoine.
Yeah,
Bear Grylls couldn't attend.
I took his place.
Cooling yourself down.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's what? Says it's very hot outside today is what it says.
Yeah. We've been out here nonstop.
Say hello.
Hello, fans. How are you?
Made it to the very top of Lookout area. We started over there towards that broadcast tower, and now we're up here. Far, far away in the hills of Jamaica. I mean, Georgia. Don't judge me.
Far away hills in Jamaica.
Beautiful day out though. Hey everybody, what's going on? Not much. Just out here, walking the trails with this beautiful rain. Yeah. Moving us down. A lot of thunder. Some good rain.
We're feeling it. We're loving it. It's nice and cool now. Ah, yes. Yes. Exactly what we wanted.
The full experience.
That's a baby turtle. Hello, little guy. Hello, little turtle. Goodbye, little turtle. Woo. It's raining. We're having a good time. Yeah, pretty good thunder, eh? Yeah. Hey, man, Blake Shelton said it first. Let the thunder roll. What's up? As you can see, this is our mountain B&B. This is for Jake.
From
Over
State
here we have
Farm?
the pavement. It's really nice, hard, concrete, solid stuff. Over here we got the woods. Cleaned often, good natural. As you can see, we have a hiking trail with tent stuff too. No, it's really great. And if you really look over there, you get a complimentary Kia Soul with your purchase of this area. So, Jake, love you, buddy, and that was for you. All right, guys, and so if you look over this way, I just wanted to let you know we have another option for a trail. It doesn't come with a fancy Kia Soul, but you enter at your own risk. You don't know what you might find in there. Bobcat, deer, turtles. Who knows, man? Who knows? But if you go into that trail, I think you might have a splendid time. You might deviate 4.3 miles, but hey, that's all the fun, right? So we can enjoy this weather and keep feeling it.
So we got off the trails finally. We finished out with, I'm gonna assume, is 17 miles total today.
It has to be, with all of like the little detours that we did and getting misguided a little bit. Just like 4.3 miles maybe.
Okay, it's my bad.
But who's counting, you know? But it was fun, especially with it being, or going from being super hot to raining and like us being like super drenched, running out of water and like procuring our own water. It was just definitely a fun experience for sure. What about you?
It was hot, it was muggy. I drenched all my clothes. I mean, literally my sweat went through my backpack and the rain went through my backpack and drenched everything inside. So I had to go, except for my sweatpants, weirdly. Like, what the hell? So I went and got a sweatshirt at this place. Feeling pretty good. Now we're about to eat a well-deserved, delicious meal. And be bitches and cheat on our diet.
But it was definitely well deserved, so stay tuned to what happens tonight and tomorrow.
It looks pretty nice though.
Just think a couple of hours ago we were somewhere in there.
So you like it up here, eh?
I do. Feels like I'm at home.
Good morning, Georgia Park.
Good morning, Georgia people. How's it going? We slept like fucking babies last night. We slept about 7 hours, a little overslept, but it was well deserved after our crazy trip yesterday. Yeah, so we're just taking down tent, and then we're gonna go head over to this waterfall, take a little bath because we're some dirty boys, and we're gonna hit the road. And I'm gonna let Tanner tell you what else we're gonna do. That face.
We're gonna go home. Yeah, it was a really good fire last night. I mean, I should have taken a video of it. It was perfectly aesthetic. It really was.
Yeah, it was.
But we're packing up right now. And I think you covered just about all of it.
Yeah. Um,
Other than the fact that your friend thought we didn't have AC out here.
yeah. What are you doing about AC?
It's actually a cool 69 last night.
Yeah, which felt great. I had to put my shirt back on because I was cold.
I slept in a sweatshirt and sweatpants.
Crazy, man.
Weirdly enough, didn't sweat at all. Felt good. Slept on the ground, no pad. Felt good.
You'll be feeling that tomorrow.
All right. We'll see you guys down the trail.
All right, so we just hiked in about 0.5 miles into this beautiful waterfall over here that we just took our bath because we're outdoorsy cavemen, you know? And I'm not sure what it's called. Oh, Cascade Falls. Cascade Falls. Really nice. Water was a bit freezing, but it hit different in a good way. Now we're ending our trip with just walking back and enjoying the view, feeling clean. We can go back to Florida cleaner than we came. I'm gonna hand it out to Tanner.
What's up, everybody? It's been a good trip. We got sunlight. It's a cool, like 74 degrees right now. Water was amazing. We feel refreshed. We feel good. We feel all right. We're feeling it. Woo! So we're gonna hike like we're gonna hike 2 miles out today. Get in the car and proceed to make another 6-hour drive home to the sheriffs we met in a small town as well. You guys are awesome. Okay. So to everyone who we've met on the trip, thank you. You people are super awesome and fun hang.